what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is terrikajahniece. You already know what to do. Hit over the subscribe button. So y'all, we are doing a little hygiene shopping today. I'm so used to going to Target, so you already know I was just automatically about to say Target, but we are in Walmart today. I have not been to this Walmart in such a long time. I'm so excited to be shopping at Walmart because they be having a lot of different stuff than Target has. I'm in my old neck of the woods and I love this Walmart versus the Walmart by my house now. They don't be having nothing. So I'm hoping that I can find some good stuff today. Don't mind my hair, it's a little frizzy, but we're gonna get it together. Okay, I'm already seeing a few things that I have not seen at Target before, so y'all know this is my favorite scent by Tree Hut. I don't know why. Like, I love it for just year round, honestly, but it is perfect for like the summertime. But this is the bath soaks. I have the foaming gel. I got the scrub in this, so I mean, it would only be right to get this, but I don't know. Let's see, it's $8. I want to pick up something different, so I ain't gonna get that. This peach sorbet, I think I smelled this in Target and I didn't really like it, so we're not gonna get that. But I've been seeing people check out like different like products from Walmart, like this Bodycology for like an everyday scent, so maybe I'll try this out. It smells really good, smells really clean and fresh, but it kind of smells cheap. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of smells cheap, but it does smell good. They also have this, which I have not seen before. Body Proud is this brand. Have y'all tried this before? This is moisturizer. Body moisturizer, hydrate, brightens, and energizes with niacinamide, caffeine, so it's really gonna brighten the skin. Has all the brightening properties in it. Love that. And they have dry body oil mist. Ooh, let's try this out. So this is the Body Proud dry body oil. Let's smell it. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna smell this Body Proud. Ugh. That stinks. It smell like peaches, but it smell like dog. We're not getting it. This one is bright, botanical, and green tea exfoliating body serum. Oh my god, it smell like my baby diaper. Ew. I thought Body Proud was on to something, but that don't smell good at all. This is this the brand? This is a hydrating body serum. Okay, that actually smells really, really good. I feel like I'm gonna try this out. Have y'all tried this? How much is this? It helps with dryness and firming. So I'm gonna try this out, y'all. It has some Tree Hut stuff, but they pretty much have all of the Tree Hut stuff that I've tried already. So we're not gonna try any of that. They also have some therapy stuff. Village Nature's chronic pain bath salts, bath soak. I really like the Dr. Teal's stuff when it comes to like soaking and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna get any of it, try any of that, but let's see. Soap and Glory body scrub. I have just so many body scrubs I really don't need no more, but they do have Soap and Glory at Walmart too. Ooh, Frank Body. I feel like they had this at Ulta at one point, but this is a clean body wash. Don't feel like nothing in there. A clearing body wash, body scrub, 2-in-1 melting body scrub with exfoliating sugar and smoothing rose ship oil, made with imagine a world where you shower yourself in chocolate. This is a cocoa, I don't even know how to pronounce that, coffee scrub. Glowing skin vacation inside this bag. Coconut coffee scrub. Guess what? Snatch your naked in 1 minute. Heritage Gimme Skin by Mindy McKnight. But this doesn't have any sulfates, any parabens, silicones, gluten, mineral oils, none of that. So I'm gonna smell this. And they also have another one which is mint and yuzu, and then they have peony and citrus. So let's smell this. It's sealed, so I can't smell it, but they should have at least a little tester, but they don't got it. So I don't know how to smell. Have y'all tried it before? But I do love the packaging, I really do. Oh, here's that brand that I was telling y'all about, or this serum. It smells so good, so I'm gonna get this serum, but they also have a booty serum, anti-blemish, anti-cellulite. So they have all different types, which, how cute is this brand? But I'm gonna try this one first and let y'all know. I'm assuming this is like, I don't know whose brand this is, but looks like that serum is $13 though. Ooh, looks like Dove has pretty much all of the same stuff. They do have a new body scrub though. I have not smelled this. I think I smelled the body wash of this, but I have not smelled the scrub. This is the crushed cherry and chia milk. Let's smell it. This one smells good, but it has like a paint kind of smell to it. The scent is really strong in this, so I don't really like it because it smells like paint. Other than that, if it didn't have that backdoor paint smell, it would smell really good. Oh, I did not notice that Dove had this oatmeal and rice milk. Did I try this last time? I think I was like, ooh, this stank, but let's try it. You know what? I did not try this, but y'all know what this reminds me of? Hold up. It reminds me of the macadamia and rice milk Dove polish. And if y'all know me and if y'all watch my channel for a while, y'all know that this is my favorite body scrub. I said Dove needs to come out with something like this in a body wash. And this is kind of what this smells like. I have to get this. I have to pick it up. So we gonna get this. So they also have this limited edition Dove. I said I wasn't getting no more body washes, but it's limited edition. We gotta try it out. Let's smell it. Oh, they also have this morning blossom. Smells like, what's that dang on fragrance called from Bath and Body Works? Cherry blossom. Yeah, it looks like Olay has all the same stuff as well. Cocoa butter, I think I may have tried that too. This all is pretty much the same. Let's see what else they have. Ooh, Nivea has sensitive and radiant body wash, hyperallergenic and dermatology tested. And I feel like with Nivea, it's a really good everyday body wash. See, I love that as like an everyday scent. Like, it is very light and Nivea is like super moisturizing, so I think I'm gonna pick this up too. I don't know if y'all remember, I picked up the aloe and green tea deodorant, and they have the body wash, so I'm gonna smell this. I think I may pick this up because I really love the smell of the deodorants. This smells so good, smells so clean, so fresh. I'm gonna pick this up. I already got 2 body washes in my basket, and y'all know how I get with these body washes. I will rack up, and I do not need to because I have a whole bunch. I have a whole bunch that I have not used yet, so we're gonna limit the body wash. So I'm only gonna pick up those 2 today. Ever since they stopped selling the Olay moisturizer body conditioner in Walmart and Target, I've been looking for something similar. This is the Weightless Wet Skin. It is an in-shower wash, so I think I'm gonna try this out. This is a coconut one, and then this is the argan oil scent, so I'm gonna smell both of these. It smells really good, actually. I feel like Jergens has this specific scent to it. I think I'm going to get this one though, the one with coconut on it. I thought this was pretty cool too. This is wet skin moisturizer. And you can put it on in the shower and it'll give you a little glow. This oral floss is coated with 8.4 pH baking soda. I feel like this would be nice to keep your breath smelling really fresh. So I'm gonna try these. Yeah, I know I love these Glide ones, how they glide through my teeth, but I'm gonna try this out because I feel like this is very interesting. So we're gonna pick these up. I also really like these on the go toothbrushes. I think I'm gonna pick some of these up. I am also out of toothpaste. I just wanna try something a little bit different. I usually go ahead and get my Colgate, but I think I'm gonna try out the 3D White Arctic Fresh toothpaste. I'm gonna try this out, but I tried, which one is it? I tried this one, but the charcoal one, I don't know, I feel like I ain't see a difference. So I feel like all this stuff do the same stuff, but I think I like the way this tastes a little bit better, so I'm gonna pick some of this up because we need some toothpaste at the house. I think I need me one of these too. Let me get this one. Okay, y'all, so on to a better note. I want to pick up me some more Native deodorant. I did not know Native had these spray-on deodorants. They got in eucalyptus mint, sea salt, and cedar, which I don't really like, but I'm gonna smell the sweet peach and nectar. I mean, I'm not really a big fan of that. It's just very citrusy for me, so I'm not gonna get that. I think right now I'm just super obsessed with the aloe and green tea, so I'm gonna stick with that for now. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all in the deodorant section for me. I do also need to get some hand soap. I really love these soft soap, but I feel like these are really good because they are antibacterial and they only $1.24. I do like Bath and Body Works, but with Bath and Body Works, it's just a fragrance. They don't give no, you know, antibacterial. So I want to pick up one of these. I think I usually get this one, but I think I'm gonna get maybe this one. Let's smell this. I love these soaps. They so cheap. Or I could do one of the Dove ones, but this is $4. I'm not about to spend $4. And these last longer and you can refill them, so I think I'm gonna go with this. That feels good. Also see that Caress has new body wash. I'm not getting no more body wash. That smells really good, clean and fresh. I love that. And They have new packaging, just like Dove, they got new packaging, but again, this is 20 ounces. Do they got the old bottle in here? Caress bottle, they don't, but I'm sure they're giving us less for the same price. I don't like that. Y'all ain't sleep. All right. Ooh, and then Nivea also has this moisturizing cream with jojoba oil. I really like Nivea's like moisturizers because it's very lightweight, smells good. Okay, you cannot smell this, but sure it smells good, but I'm not gonna pick this up since I got that in shower moisturizer. I did want to pick up something for my feet. I think I tried this a time or two before for dry cracked feet, so I'm gonna pick some of this up too. This is the O'Keefe. Okay, y'all know I love the My Ill anti-shedding, but they also have this one I've been wanting to try, but they don't have any shampoo and conditioner for this. So yeah, oh, this is cute too. Have y'all tried this? Next of Us is what this is called. That's cute. Back home and I went to Walmart, so I'm going to show you everything that I picked up. I'm super excited because these are some products that I have never tried before, and also make sure that you stay tuned to the end because I do have a little surprise. I'm going to show you everything that I picked up, so let's get into it. I think I want to start with body washes because I got a few. I don't need no more body washes, but I did have to pick up a few body washes today. So the first one I got is this Aloe and Green Tea Body Wash by Native, and I have been super obsessed with the Aloe and Green Tea deodorant by Native. It smells so good. It gives me like this fresh, clean scent to it, which I really love. I love a fresh, clean scent. And it has like this light and airy scent on top of that. I love it. I just love how this smells. And Native is paraben-free, dye-free, and sulfate-free. So I really love that. I'm really trying to go and use like nice clean ingredients, but y'all know when it comes to stuff like that, your body gotta get like used to it. I don't know if it will last as long as the Self-Terra body wash does. Y'all, when I tell you that Self-Terra body wash, you get out the shower, you dry off, like you still smell it even after you're out of the shower on your skin. So I love the way that Self-Terra cleans to my skin. So all of the body washes that I picked up, I've been comparing it to the Self-Terra one. I'm gonna let y'all know how the scent lasts. The next body wash that I picked up was this Nivea Sensitive and Radiant Body Wash. It has a nourishing serum in it, so it's really gonna moisturize your skin and really lock in that moisture. So I really love this because it has provitamin B5 and pearl extract. I can never say that word. I love that Nivea like nourishes your skin, and the scent is like not too overpowering too, so it smells really, really good. I just picked this up. I didn't really need to pick this up, honestly, but I was like, ooh, this just smells so good. So I wanted to pick it up. It's just a very light scent. And with this body wash, it helps to balance your skin's pH. So I really like that. The last body wash that I picked up was this Dove Oatmeal and Rice Milk Body Wash. Listen, let me tell you about this body wash. So I have been saying for years that Dove needed to come out with a body wash for the macadamia and rice milk body polish that they have, because I just love the scent of that body polish. This freaking body wash smells exactly like the macadamia and rice milk body polish. Dove is just something that I've used for ages, like since I was little. I just always loved Dove products, and my skin loves those products. I can see myself repurchasing this already. It's supposed to be like a calming body wash, so it'll probably be perfect for like nighttime, but I'm gonna use it anytime, to be honest, because I love this scent. Another thing that I picked up was this Jergens Weightless Wet Skin Moisturizer. I used to use the Olay body conditioner. They stopped selling it in Walmart and Target, so I don't know what happened with that. I think you can still get them on Amazon, so I'll link it down below because that is really my favorite in-shower body conditioner, but I needed something that I could just pick up in the store. So this Jergens Weightless Moisturizer is the one I picked up. It's infused with coconut oil and hyaluronic acid, so it's gonna definitely be moisturizing for your skin. And also it claims to be non-greasy but also hydrating. So I'm super excited to try this out. If y'all tried this out, let me know. It just gives that like a Jergens scent. I don't know if you've ever tried any Jergens products. They have like this similar scent to it. Not my favorite, especially compared to the Olay body conditioner, but I think it'll work. I know the Olay body conditioner, the scent like really stuck to your skin as well. I don't really see that scent sticking to your skin as much as the Olay one. That just gives off like a light scent. So I don't know, but we'll try that out and I'll keep y'all updated on it. Picked up this strawberry and niacinamide hydrating body serum, and this is the Rainbow Beauty brand. So this serum smells really good. It honestly, it kind of gives off like a kitty scent to it almost, but it smells like a lip gloss I used to use when I was a kid, but it doesn't smell bad, and it's supposed to help with dryness and firming. So yeah, you're supposed to apply about like 3 to 5 drops anywhere on your body to help smooth, tight, and firm. So I'm gonna try this out. They do have a ton of other products, so if I end up liking this, I'm gonna try out the other products. I guess I will move on to like oral hygiene. So I picked up this Crest 3D White toothpaste. This is Arctic Fresh. It's supposed to whiten out their one brush. So I wanted to try this out. To be honest, I feel like all of these toothpastes do the same thing, so yeah. I kind of go between Crest and Colgate. I feel like they're both are really good. I also picked up these little mini toothbrushes. So you basically use these on the go, like, you know, to freshen up or whatever, especially like if you went out to eat or if you are out on the go and gotta rinse something out. So I think these are perfect to just keep in your purse. And even if you're going to school, like, you know, if you want to freshen up without having to take a toothbrush and toothpaste, I think this is just like perfect. I do wear Invisalign, even though I ain't worn them recently. If I'm out on the go, in between like me taking them out and eating and stuff, I used to use those to like freshen between that time. I do really like that to just keep your breath fresh throughout the entire day. I also picked up these toothpicks or floss picks. These are coated with 8.4 pH baking soda. It's gonna help like keep like in between your teeth like really clean. Because if you don't floss often, you will have bad breath. These really stuck out to me because it is coated with baking soda, so I just thought that that was nice. I feel like it'll get in between your teeth really nice and clean. I picked up some of this soft soap, hand soap, just to put in my bathroom. I really like soft soap because they're very cheap. They wash away bacteria. And I really like this one because this one has aloe vera in it. Sometimes these soaps can be a little dry into your hands, so I do like the fact that this one is supposed to moisturize. So that is pretty much all that I picked up. This was a little small haul. I do want to go to like Marshalls and TJ Maxx to see what they have because y'all know they be having the goods. So that'll probably be coming up in another hygiene haul. But yes, you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I did of course want to show my appreciation to y'all, so I'm going to be doing a giveaway and all of the details will be linked down below. So make sure that you check the description box so that way you can enter the giveaway. Make sure you follow all the rules to be entered, and I'll be announcing the winner in the next video, y'all. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, give the video a big old thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you are not already. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll see you on the next one.